What if DJI's next big thing was actually tiny? Meet the Osmo Nano, just leaked in the FCC database and ready to shake up the action cam world. It's small, modular, and might just be the comeback DJI needs after the Action 2's bumpy ride. From sensor upgrades to smarter design, this could be their boldest move yet. Let's break down what we know so far and why this little camera has big potential. If the Action 2 was a prototype in disguise, the Osmo Nano feels like the polished sequel. We're talking modular magnetism 2.0, a detachable screen, swappable battery modules, and a new magnetic design that looks tighter than a GoPro's marketing budget. 2 model numbers showed up in the FCC filings, one for the camera, one for the screen. That's your first clue. DJI's doubling down on versatility. Clip it, snap it, mount it to your shirt. It's designed to move with you, whether you're base jumping or just walking to the fridge in cinematic slow-mo. Now let's talk specs, because this thing isn't just cute, it's a beast in disguise. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is rumored to be capable of shooting 4K at 120 frames per second. That's not just sharp, that's pause your video and frame it kind of sharp. DJI has always had an edge in low-light performance, and the Nano is looking to keep that crown. Add in Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, and you're looking at butter-smooth footage, even if your footage is from the back of a dirt bike doing donuts in the rain. This thing wants chaos, and it wants to make it look good. Let's size up the competition. The GoPro Hero 12 Mini? Great, but heavy. The Insta360 Go 3? Fun, but not quite a low-light champ. The Osmo Nano? It's got the firepower and the flexibility. And here's the kicker. DJI's bringing spread spectrum wireless tech to the table. That means fast, stable connections between camera parts, efficient power use, and longer battery life, especially when you slap on those rumored add-on power modules. The result? A smarter camera that adapts to your shoot rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Now, the million-pixel question: how much? Based on the Action 2's launch price, the Osmo Nano is likely to land somewhere around $279 to $299. That's cheaper than most flagship phones and roughly the same as the last-gen Action 2 dual-screen combo. Not bad for something that shoots like a dream and fits in your pocket next to your gum. And here's a bonus prediction. DJI will probably bundle it with creative add-ons, clips, mounts, wearable cases, because they know this cam isn't just for filming, it's for living in the moment. Whether you're a vlogger, a biker, a traveler, or a dad chasing toddlers in the backyard, this camera wants to be your sidekick. So when does the Nano land? If the FCC timing is anything to go by, and it usually is, we're looking at a launch window around early August 2025. That's just in time for end-of-summer adventures, back-to-school content, or capturing those golden hour sunsets you always promise yourself you'll record, but never do. Now's your chance. DJI isn't just launching a product here. They're making a statement. Small is powerful, and smart is the new sexy. Whether it outshines GoPro or not, one thing's for sure. This camera just shook the table, and the race is on. So, what do you think? Is the Osmo Nano the next king of compact cameras, or just a flashy underdog with big dreams? We want to hear from you. Hit the comments with your take. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, do us a favor. Like, subscribe, and punch that bell icon like it owes you money.